Hello. Today we're going to mix two classic cocktails. Now, any cocktail has three basic ingredients: the spirit, or the alcoholic liquor, the mixer, or the soda, tonic water, fruit juice, and ice. And don't forget your garnish. The basic tools you need for making cocktails are a shaker for shaking, a mixing glass for stirring in, a jigger to measure your proportions, strainer for straining, a bar spoon for stirring, a muddler for pressing fruits, tongs for ice, and of course your glassware. Shake cocktails with citrus, fruits, juices, egg whites, and other viscous liquids, and stir cocktails with just plain booze. The first cocktail we will demonstrate is the Negroni. The basic ingredients of the Negroni are equal parts of Campari, Italian Vermouth, and gin, garnished with an orange slice. A Count Camillo Negroni was said to have created this drink back in 1919 at the Caffè Cassoni in Florence, Italy. For this recipe, I used Campari bitters, Martini Italian Vermouth, and Bombay Sapphire Gin. Put all the ingredients into your mixing glass. Add large quantities of ice and stir for about 30 rotations until the cocktail is adequately chilled. And then strain it into a rocks glass. Using fresh orange fruit, top it off with an orange peel or an orange slice, and your drink is ready to go. Salud! The next cocktail we will demonstrate is the Sidecar. Now, the basic ingredients of the recipe are 3 parts Cognac, 1 part Cointreau, and 1 part fresh lemon juice. For this cocktail, I used Hennessy Cognac and Cointreau orange liqueur. The Sidecar was thought to have been invented in Paris at the end of World War I by an American captain whose motorcycle had a sidecar. Fresh lemon juice is key, and I am using a vintage citrus squeezer to extract my lemon juice. And then combine all these ingredients in a shaker with lots of ice. Shake vigorously. Some bartenders say 30 seconds, some say 60 seconds. But shaking it for about 40 to 45 seconds should do. And then strain the mixture into a cocktail glass, which you can pre-chill by putting a large ice cube into it while you're preparing your drink. The garnish for this cocktail is a fresh orange peel, which you can slice from your fruit, and then expunge the oils and the botanicals into the cocktail, right, before you drop the orange peel into the drink. And now you're ready to go. Enjoy. Salute.